di ho nkoma enkosi hwe ya de be kwakosi hwe ena nya de be kwakosi hwe so but this time nanka na mo a aban no atu no se nanka ye kofobia ye bu ade ena yem hihye wo yemu ena yensuro ne beto yen in the days ahead of us or the years ahead of us nanka anamon we nanka ye ntukura me yensa me di ho nkomo bio over the years ebra Ghana for abre in the hands of or in the name of Galamsey or illegal mining related activities. Ya hwe 8 heroes and no chain you suffer a lot of consequences. You didn't need a poison womb near there chemicals a hold one now all related to illegal mining activities. In so yiri e dia fa ye kuro bi ase kuro no amasisi ya no afi na ye build the entire kroni na no all in the name of illegal activities. Yakobo bosia e de etu ososa ni na all in the name of illegal mining activities. This year dey biem ni yenye. Mining, I am telling you today, and again for you so nim, yenja tu ne enja tu china. But it should be responsive. E say ye de tu ye ho so say, ye tu na money na amfa. Ye de kind of operation who for other police for ka ye koya hwetre sam.
Operation they say operation halt.
Ye de bi dem be
Operation Galam stop.
Ye de dem be bre.
Operation ba kono ye den.
Operation Galam stop. No na so for you na.
Operation
Bebre. Ni na kwa nkosi hwe.
Operation lot.
Ena ye ba bedru ba bia ye dri. So if you see ye dri na ye dri beyond an average Ghanaian thinking. Ye dri beyond 1 year. Ye dri beyond 2 years. Ye dri beyond 3 years. Na se person ye dri konkanya. By this time, you see to me proposing plans 5 years, 10 years ahead of us. The approach in solving or the approach in dealing with mining related issues, period. Kwame Nkrumah had a 7-year development plan. You think mining wasn't part of it? Even as at that time, mining was part of the 7-year development plan. Atamils attempted the 10 years development plan. You think mining wasn't part of it? Mining was part of it. Why don't we revisit some of these approaches? You be from near modernizing, near far the best practices in elsewhere because you're gonna go to for good you. And Ibrahim go elsewhere. Look, and then my mentor had a monka. Unim Sunway Lagoon. Sunway Lagoon is in Malaysia. Kohono musisi anakokohe. I have been there, so I have that experience when I'm talking about it. And an abandoned mining site for years. An abandoned mining site for years. Aye jatu hodo motisebia akwetia mining or akwetia box or whatever it is. Ye jatu hodo for so many years. So Joy, do you know what is happening there? It is one of the biggest tourist sites in Malaysia, and it's providing them millions of dollars every single year. Oko Sunway Laguna, the biggest swimming pool in the world, it's an abandoned mining site. Oko Honomwa, Zoo, an Otramodi Zoo. Yes, be a zoo, a friend say, our Wobugu tinted glass mudabi. But you're creating zoo within that.
Tinted glass,
oh no, of course, that would have capacity zoo, yeah, but I tinted glass munoda.
Also so.
Yeah, one yet tinted glass munoda. What could Kumasi zoo a who a wow? Yeah, tinted glass munoda. I may trouble him, so may pass him. I may file as a man of it. There is a modern university, our Sunway Lagoon in Malaysia, an abandoned mining site. A modern university. There is an ultra-modern shopping mall. Yes, make us a shopping mall. Shopping malls. Our Sunway Lagoon. There are a lot of activities at Ekoswo Honomo. The most interesting part is that the Honomo as a tourist site. Ena, Honomo and Honomo, then we enjoy some of these activities. Now go back and abandoned mining sites there at the end. I say in the Go there and you will see things for yourself. Ghana, we are not too far from that. Yes, start to share the best practices, the best approach, the best lessons, the best whatever. Near for making sure say you reclaim your friend say say you the mining and yes also the yesika the free because the mining activities for the Christmas ejuma. It is not just by me say the anoka which sam the implementation becomes a headache. Na minister namha, na minister kose, na minister real for. No, I mean come on, please my headache too much.
There should be coordinated effort.
There should be a deliberate effort. Deliberate. Yes, shut up. Say, this is the year, this is the plan. I had that for 5 years. This is how we are going to implement it. This is how we are going to execute it. This is how we are going to make it work. And it now boils down to one thing: discipline. And of course, commitment. And you know commitment is vital. Commitment to who here pa. Because if there's no political will or commitment, if there's no discipline from the implementer, or if there's no discipline from the politician, it is never going to work. Because me ujamia, me nimraso. But say, o shamra, na me nimra so, na me who say punishment when they all honor near the me kokotum, and answer me mrana de me kokotum. Next time you dare not have any boss. So me call on mo this answer no. I'm facing all these illegal mining related activities in Nano. Most of them are working freely. Near the politics with some. Then I call the highest bidder. Then there is another procedure called friend say a plea bargaining. You see? Say you can say yes, I dem away. A plea bargaining mean to me what? Anybody? Because say one call attorney general Judge JD. Attorney General so nobody knows about it. So there should be a conscious and a deliberate effort to say, let us put a proper plan in place. See, you might have 5 years, you might have 10 years to say. So 10 years to cry near the bear. You find na any year. Now conquer a precedence and find out how to say any other person. Any other individual, any other group of mining activities will follow the same procedure and the same process. Na yɛn fam ra windows bia na ho ɛfa to hɔ no mo. Enti ofom mra na mra ne de wakɔ akɔgyina mra anim. Na mra nanim akyerɛ wo sɛ wofom mra wei enya akyɛw pa bia, enya gidigidi bia, masa asotwe ni, okɔ akɔdam 10 years, 15 years. So be it. I don't know how China is corruption. If you are not careful, you go to life imprisonment. Oko other places are Bonnet, Kitty, or my so. Oko Singapore, you gam or you think it's no. I don't know why you think so near by had say this anyhow. Yes, it is because you have pre minimum the cassette.
Annabelle
Basa, it is just because we are not disciplined well enough. But Nipa na washam na so crowd crying discipline. Because or there's some certain political interest in the room. It's the other position sees it to be the other way around. And I would wash them around few say, favano. And there's creating a big window to who now here in the crowd to me conquer. And the Sikafona and the Yankosu say provide this Sikanimawo. That has been the order of the day. Look, say a Maya ho crying. Nagana see a Pesia Jumudahoni and Fetrimudin and Fashi Shemra. I am telling you, we will fail our generation. Okay. Because say, John, go to the hospitals. And I go to any government hospital. Let them give you a report of cases of munya. Nina is most of them is due to environmental related, activities. And then a man for a yari. I must say a deformity crampo asati ebum. Ye wo bia ne nan ni ho ne send ni ho ne. You see, it is so mad. Just because ye should not create a deliberate attempt to resolving the issue. Okay. It is not like they don't know.
Okay. They know.
It is not like they don't know. Omunim. But there's a certain will be they are not willing to consciously and deliberately make it happen. And that is the political will.
Right,
So nanka NDC, quick one.
Yeah.
So nanka all political parties, in an attempt to almost solve or mukasa vigilantism, yeah, more nye. And we na yadre cross galam says ye betua, ye na ye the adjun be boom. Near you na shemra, NDC the omumra, CPP the omumra, PPP, ni all other political parties, akomumra boom. And yes, ye force it. Into where bet you no, nya na nabi kwako tu, netuma, aka the church also, akwako pacho. Emra de wo ho no mo wafo mumra, then we will go according to the mra. But say yes ye no a friend say ye formalize na ni enim say yes studio had no say yes say John dey two gram say we had no say we know who is doing it. Then we don't go beating about the bush. We will come straight to you and tell you the right thing to do. Wo fo mra na mra no wadi na afia no ano no countries about developing na no e ye tribute discipline. And we can do the same thing.
Ibrahim, yeah, didn't come. Input about. For just a minute.